Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today we are going to do a 10-minute yoga flow. Today we're focusing on the hamstrings. We're focusing on strengthening and stretching out the hamstrings. So all you need today is yourself and your mat. So grab those things and we will get started. So we are going to start at the top of the mat in mountain pose, Tadasana. So lift the toes, being mindful that the ball of the foot and the heel are grounded into the mat. Lift the arch slightly and then replace the toes. Lift the shoulders up towards your ears and then down and back as the shoulder blades pull together. And bring the ribs in just slightly, arms down by your side, Tadasana. And then inhale as you reach the arms out and up. Exhale as you reach the arms out and then down as you hinge at the hips, coming into a forward fold. In your forward fold, you may notice that the knees bend. That is okay. If you want to stretch the legs, stretch the hamstrings, you can straighten the legs. Not really locking the legs out, just straightening them, and you'll start to feel the sensation in the calves and the hamstrings. Or you can go back to bending the legs. And then inhale, coming into a half forward fold. So hands can come beside the shins. Upper body is kind of parallel to the floor. And then exhale, forward fold. And if you want to straighten the legs there again, you can. Saying hello to your hamstrings. Inhale, bringing the arms out and up. As you stand, exhale, arms down by your side. This time adding on, inhale, arms out and up. Exhale as you come to your forward fold. Straighten the legs if you want. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Straighten the legs if you want. Inhale, coming to your half forward fold. On the exhale, bend the knees, reach the arms up, coming into a chair pose. So arms are aligned with your spine. Gaze is forward. Adding a little bit of strength here. Bringing the hands to your heart. Shifting the weight to your left foot and then lifting the right foot and stepping it back. So ball of the right foot is down, heel is lifted. And then just start to press into that ball, starting to feel the stretch in the quad a little bit. Keeping a bend in the front knee, coming into a high lunge, reaching the arms up. And then inhale here. Exhale as you reach the arms back. Coming into a little bit of a back bend, a little bit of a balance challenge here. Inhale, reaching the arms up. Exhale as you reach forward at a diagonal. So arms are still aligned with the spine. Front knee is still bent. And then inhale as you stand up. Plant the back foot down. Straighten the front knee. And then reach the arms forward and then down. Coming into a pyramid pose. Stretching out the hamstrings just a little bit. Again, feeling that sensation in the left leg, left calf and hamstring. And breathe here. And then inhale as you reach the arms forward as we stand back up. Exhale as you lift the back heel. Front knee is bent. Bringing the hands to your heart. We're going to step forward into chair pose. Reaching the arms up. Inhale as you stand all the way up. Exhale, arms down by your side. We'll do that all again. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale as you come down to your forward fold. Straighten the legs just a little bit. Feeling the stretch in the back side of the leg. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, coming back to your half forward fold. On the exhale, bend the knees, reach the arms up. Come into a chair pose. Bringing the hands to your heart. Shift the weight to your right foot, lift the left leg, step it back. So front knee is bent. The ball of the left foot is down on the mat, and the heel is lifted. Coming into a high lunge, reaching the arms up. Inhale. Exhale as you reach the arms back. Coming into a back bend. Feeling the stretch in the left quad, the front of the left thigh. And then inhale, standing up. Exhale, shifting forward. So front knee is still bent. Arms are reaching forward at a diagonal. Inhale, reaching the arms back up. Exhale as you plant the back foot down, straighten the front leg. Inhale here. Exhale as you reach forward and down. Coming into our pyramid pose on the other side. Feeling the stretch in the right calf and the right hamstring. Inhale, reaching the arms forward and up. Exhale as you bend the front knee, lift the back heel. And then bringing the hands to your heart, we're going to step forward to our chair pose. Reaching the arms up. Last little hamstring strengthener. Inhale as you stand all the way up. Exhale, arms down by your side. Standing tall in your mountain pose, lifting the shoulders up and back. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Last time, inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Thank you everyone for joining me for this very quick hamstring practice. I hope that you found a little bit of strength or stretch, whatever you were looking for in this quick practice. And I will see you all in my next video.